Good afternoon mga idol, welcome back. So in this video, i-share ko lang yung parang small update on what items do I currently have and how I went through to purchase this one. Okay, so first off, si Lord9 nag-release ng dalawang skins and we omitted that one, so nag-skip tayo. As you can see, since the Blue Summer, Halloween, and the Dreamy Illusion, pinopurchase talaga natin siya. But nag-skip tayo for the past two skins along with the two recent mounts na nirelease din nila. So, summing that up, that's almost 2,400, right? So 2,400 and dinagdagan natin ng konti lang, we were able to buy yung legendary set na. Okay, so my reason for purchasing this one, I have two reasons. Number one, of course, gusto natin masubukan kung paano ang merong legendary set. Number two, para makatulong din sa mga alts ko, which is i-show ko naman later. So tignan mo. Also, don't expect na yung stats na nasa legendary set ay yung mga optimal. I can't afford that one. Or even if I can afford it, I don't think it's worth it, diba? Okay na ako dito. So yeah, that's the reason kung bakit hindi muna tayo bumili ng skin and nag-ipon-ipon muna tayo. Now, considering na nag-i-spend naman ako ng certain amount sa game na to, so instead of buying mount, buying skins, I spent it na lang sa legendary set. And meron tayong ganito, yung parang bigay niya na bonus. So ito, first bonus niya is meron siyang status effects hit 3%. I think ito yung sa parang potency ng pag-disable niya or yung CC, tinatawag na CC. Evasion 50, defense power 55, and crit hit damage 7.5%. Napakalaking tulong nito, especially if we're gonna go Venom. Sabihin natin Venom. Check natin si Venom. Yun. Kasi si Venom, meron siyang gumagamit si Venom nito. And this is crit hit damage na 9% along with my avatar, and nagiging complementary siya sa avatar natin na si Wife Wolf Barthes, which has critical hit damage na 8% din. Now, check natin kung ilan yung critical hit damage percent na bigay sa atin. Alright, so that's 46.74%. Napakalaking tulong niyan, 'di ba? So yeah, so much for that. And then proceed na tayo sa second topic natin. Si Boss Neptune and si Boss Marvel Wargame 5088. Sabi niya, this was pertaining to my recent video about the Snowflake Garden, and meron ata akong like 5 minutes na lang sa Snowflake Garden, and sabi ni Marvel Wargame at saka si Boss Neptune, sabi nila pwede daw itong gawin din sa alt ko kasi hindi daw shared yung dungeon time, which is new to me kasi for the past few events or dungeons na parang sa event lang, hindi naman, shared naman yung time na binibigay ni Lord9, but this time each character sa account mo meron silang 4 hours each, and that's good. So ipapasa muna natin yung items ko sa alt ko, and then pagbalik ko sa video, doon na tayo sa alt. Okay, so nasa alt na tayo and I'm not gonna show the name of my alt kasi baka patayin ng mga coops. Anyway, so as you can see dito sa lower left, crossbow level 53 yung alt ko. And ito na yung set ko na binili natin, like as what I have told you earlier. And another reason kung bakit pinush ko tong project na to, kasi tignan mo, I was able to farm up to level 71 sa level 53 na alt ko. Kasi it was way easier for my alt to farm the Spire of Trials level 71 gawa ng malambot na lang or shall I say malakas yung gears ng alt ko, di ba? And lahat ng items na na-claim dyan ay nakuha natin. So, siguro up until siguro hanggang 85 or 90 kung kaya, hanggang dyan ako, and then i-delete ko yung alt ko. That's the plan, ha. I'm not saying that that's really gonna happen. Just the plan. Depende. Kasi medyo nakakapagod din ng mag-quest or yung from 1. Nakakapagod din gumawa ng alt eh. So, yan, kukunin natin yan, and then if makulangan tayo sa rewards, gawin ko muna yung the rest of my alts, and then saka ako magde-decide kung i-delete ko or not. Okay? So, let's see and let's go. Actually, sinubukan ko na kanina and napasok ko na siya. So, okay pala kasi pwede palang hindi pala shared yung dungeon time dito sa event na to ni Lord 9, and that's really good kasi meron tayong opportunity na, say for example, dito tayo bobomba. Meron tayong 116 right now, right? Okay, so bili tayo ng medyas. Napaka-rewarding talaga ng medyas kasi para kang sumusugal eh. For 10 snowflakes, ito yung posible mong ma-receive. Lalo na yung Radiant Life Core. Napakaganda, napaka-worth it. Radiant Life Core. Or kahit sabihin na natin Temporal Piece. So, let's try. Bili tayo ng 12 na medyas. And buksan natin. Okay na. Meron tayong 233 na temporal piece. Well, yung hindi natin nasubukan is kung pwede yung medyas ipasa sa wait, try. Merong 10. Hindi pala kasi character bound. Okay lang. Yeah, okay lang. Kasi kahit naman maging character bound itong life core or radiant life core, makakapag-upgrade pa naman ako ng mount ko, di ba? And that's what's important dyan sa reward na to. Alright? So, that's it for this video. Good afternoon sa ating lahat. Merry Christmas again. Keep grinding.